Wow.
This battery.
Welcome to Let Red Do It, and let's get to it.
Today we're going to unbox the Bebird Earwax Removal System. You can view your ear or even your mouth, your nose, or your pet's ear with a little tiny camera that is on this device. It's FDA grade soft plastic scope for your ear, and it's waterproof. It has a ADA plastic scope. So there's 3 different scopes you could choose from. One is even a tongue depressor. You can sync to your phone or your tablet so you can easily view inside your ear. It comes with a cap for it, silicone ear spoons, tongue depressor, viewing cone, USB charging cable, manual, and it includes a lithium rechargeable battery. Now, I don't understand when it says not for use by children under the age of 16 because it definitely looks like a baby and a little girl. So, but it says air cleanliness is important to ensure the best hearing, balance, and prevent infection. The oscilloscope's advanced wireless control safety technology allows the user to view and safely clean the ear canal with ease. For routine cleaning of earwax, it's also a great tool to check your mouth, nose, hair, skin, and your pet. So, this is like $35 at Target. So let's go ahead and unbox it. I still hate these little plastic tape things. There you go. Oh.
Wow.
Nice little case there. Got directions. Oh, nice little chart the ear canal with a warning. Let's see what it says. The human ear canal is about 2.5 centimeters, which is 1 inch, and ends with the ear clean in the above image. To avoid harming the eardrum, do not go further than half an inch. So, fair warning right there. This is the directions on how to get the app. But let's check this stuff out. This thing looks cool. Oh my goodness, these are the tips. Look how small they are. Look how small the tips are. As long as they snap on. Oop. Oh boy, I'm about to break it. This is the tongue depressor right here. This is the actual scope. It has a head on it. I'm pulling, and it's not coming off like right away. I won't focus in on it. Let's see if it's charged. No light or anything. So I guess it needs to be charged or anything like that.
Afro in blue or gray pants, black shoes, also a black female beige short.
Oh, this is very soft. Silicone thing right. As you see, use this push just right here. Slide it on there. And now it's protected. And I mean, this part might scrape your ear. It's metal and it's pretty sharp. So with this on it, it's protecting your ear. So, and we have a charger. I can get it out. It's a USB-C. So easily chargeable. Okay, I just wanted to point out all the different tips they have real quick. So if you want a deep clean of the ear, they have this to scrape it. This is an ear sponge, and then they have 3 spoons. This is 2 of them. Okay. So the pieces just screw on, and so you just put it like this, and then you screw it on. Now make sure that it is on once you screw it on, because we just lost it in here. I had to get it out with some tweezers, so be careful about that. Okay, so now we're in Google Play, and we're gonna type in Bebird. I found it close enough. And then we're gonna go ahead and download it. No, their apps match it, so that's good. Before we download, I do want to point out that now they do have a section that talks about what they're going to do with your data and what all data they take or don't take. So that's good to read up on that, as well as the description and at least 1 or 2 of the comments down below, because they used it before. So if there's a red flag, usually you'll see something in the comments and you're like, maybe I should read a little bit more about it. Like this one right here, talking about how the app is freezing around the same time that the device is heating up. And I did notice when I used it, and I used it until the battery ran out, that it did get a little bit hot. The scope did. So it didn't freeze though. So I don't know if that's something with her phone or something else, that might be environmental, or maybe she had a damaged one. But so far, I even used it a couple other occasions by now that I'm editing, it did not freeze. So now that we have it installed, I'll press and hold. Oh, there we go. Now let's go back into the app on the phone. Okay, so now press connect device to Wi-Fi. So keep connected is already chosen for you. So we just have to click to connect. And that's that orange button at the bottom. That's going to take you to the Wi-Fi connection page. And Bebird has its own Wi-Fi connection that you have to pick. So you're going to press Bebird. And then you're going to put in the password, which is in your manual. Mine was just straight up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or whatever. It goes all the way up to 8. I'm not sure. But it's in the manual, so just read it. Then it'll take you back to this page, and then I just press the arrow button over once it's connected, of course. And you see that there's a little indication, little notification that says it is connected. So we're just going to hit the arrow back and then press go. Now you're fully connected, and you can see through your oscilloscope. And as you can see, that is my light in my room. But I'm going to go ahead here, and I have a volunteer. So we're going to look in the volunteer's ear. They have an ear problem where their skin comes off in their ear. And so it gets really itchy. And so, yeah, they definitely volunteered to get it out. So there's a piece right that you've seen before. But nice clear picture. See where you're going. And there goes the eardrum right there. And this could be used for phones as well. Like if you want to see inside your charging port. Take some alcohol and just wipe it off after every use. Here's the small spoon. I'm just gonna wipe that off too, so it can be safe. Okay. And we use it so much, it's dead. And here is where you charge it.